Can you make popcorn with a hair straightener? So we got a hair straightener and it's sitting at 190 degrees Celsius. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? 190. So we're gonna test if we can pop the popcorn. Let's go. It's kind of hot, so how do I drop it in? Wow. Alright. Be careful. Be careful. Don't try this at home because the plate is hot. There. Ready? Okay, let's test this. Let's go. Nothing seems to be happening. Keep it shut. Is it hot? Well, there's heat coming out of it. Come on, popcorn. Pop. Comment below if you think it's going to pop, by the way. 210. Don't want to hold it too tight, just in case. I don't think it's going to... I smell burning. Maybe I should have put oil on there. 6 minutes are up. 235 is the highest, so we can't go past that. Oh, it popped! It popped! Where'd it go? Wow! Oh! Yo, it works, guys. So it does pop, look. Wow, check that out. Okay, it kind of popped weird, but you can pop a popcorn with a hair straightener. Oh, I love it. Guys, like, share, subscribe, Sachthemotive, let me motivate you. Over and out.